All right, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at Technocolor. This is a vintage saturations plugin by Canary Sounds. Please check out the discount code link in the video description below. All right, so this is a plugin to add old school vibe to your synths, guitar, basses, and more, inspired by vintage samplers, tapes, and compression units with 20 modulations, DSP algorithms. Let's take a look at it here. So here I just have a simple track that I've been working on, producing and such, and I actually added it on to a bunch of tracks. We'll take it all off for the moment, play the song, see what it sounds like. These are stock Logic plugin sounds for the most part. So here we have the interface. We got a tone knob, we got a wet dry, we got a random setting, we got presets up here that you can go through, bass guitar ones, drum ones, guitars, old school radio, synth ones, and of course you could use these on any instrument. That's just the recommendation there. Then we got all these different modules here that go with the presets, or you can change these as well. We go to input, output, pretty easy to use. Just throw on, see what happens. Let's go to this sound here. Start with the bass. Got it on the snare over here. Try the random button. Kick drum, or that's the hi-hat, sorry. Now, of course, every sound you put on, you know, it's not going to sound the way you want it, so you just got to keep tweaking stuff. Throw it on all the tracks here. I don't like that snare drum. Go back to where I had it. Let's see what's going on here. So as you can see, really quick and easy to add some coloration to your sound, some effects and so forth, bring some life to that kind of sterile sound that you get sometimes with virtual instruments. Turn them all off again one more time. All right, so let's check this thing out on some vocals. And by the way, I also have the Vapor Dimension here, made by them as well. As you can tell by the look, they're from the same company here. We're going to bypass that or mute that for a second. So on this vocal track, I just got a little bit of the CLA vocals on here. No delays or reverbs, just some stuff. And then we're going to put the Technocolor on. Right now I have the old radio setting. Sounds pretty cool. Let's check it out.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up.
Without.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down.
Turn it on.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why.
And we could go through some. There's no real presets for vocals, but we could just go through some of these and see what they sound like.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why.
So that sounds pretty cool. Let's try the Retro 2.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdown.
We'll throw some Vapor Dimension on here just for fun. I have another video on this plugin, and plus it's on their website as well. You can check it out.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why.
So pretty cool. Really cool on vocals as well. Let's check it out on some other instruments and some other vocals. Try it on some guitar loops here, see what happens.